Hello guys, Dr. Brad Mouroux, Clinic Director at Spine and Injury Medical Center. Here today we're going to be talking about knees specifically. If you or you know someone who has a knee injury like a meniscus tear, a ligament tear, or degenerative arthritis in the knees, something that's preventing them from either enjoying an activity like soccer, playing basketball, volleyball, cycling, or running, or if they're just basically, in need of some intensive therapy and a second opinion, take a look at what can be done with regenerative medicine. I'm showing a video over here. We're going to be taking a look at one of the regenerative medicine therapies. You can see what we're using is an ultrasound evaluation of the knee with ultrasound guided injection, so we can pinpoint the exact tissue in the area that we want to get into and work on. And what the regenerative medicine does is that it actually stimulates the body's natural healing process by using its own plasma. And it uses those white blood cells, the platelets, and growth factors to actually stimulate the process of regeneration in that tissue. And it works very well. It has great results. I invite anyone to chat with us to check it out and to learn more about it and help keep somebody from unnecessary surgery or get them off of medications and get them back into enjoying life. I'm Dr. Brad Mouroux, and thanks for listening.